Dear coders, welcome back to Rayyan, where we break down complex problems into simple solutions. We are solving LeetCode crime problem 475. Be given houses and heaters placed along a straight line. What is the minimum radius each heater must have to ensure every house gets one? Sounds easy. Think again. We will be explore the brute force approach, why it is slow, the optimized binary search solution, why it is smart, edge cases you must not ignore. Stick around till end because I will share a pro tip that will help you as similar problems. Smash that like button and subscribe if you are ready to code smarter. So let's move to computer screen and let's do a coding with laughing. Guys, let's start to solve a 475 question by the name of heater. So let's start. Now, winter is coming during the contest. Your first job is to design a standard heater with a fixed warm radius to warm all the houses. Every house can be warmed as long as the house is within the heater's warm radius range. We given the positions of houses and heaters on a horizontal line. In today's video, we want to return the minimum radius standard of heaters so that those heaters could cover all the houses. Now notice that all the heaters follow your radius standard and the warm radius will the same. Okay, means that all heaters follow your radius standard, but only the warm radius will the same. In the case 1 here, he created one integer array by the name of houses in which he wrote in down 1, 2, 3, and here he created one more integer array by the name of heaters in which he write only 2. And the output will be coming only 1 because the only heater was placed in the position 2, and if we use the radius 1 standard, then all the houses can be warm. So in our case 1, our output will become 1. Let's see our case 2. Here he created one same integer array by the name of houses and heaters in which in the first houses he write 1, 2, 3, 4 and the heaters he write 1, 4. The output will be coming 1 because the two heaters were placed at positions 1 and 4. We will need to use our radius 1 standard, then all the houses can be warm. Now here is the one case 3 in which he write here he created one integer array by the name of houses in which he write 1, 5, and here he created one more integer array by the name of heaters in which output is becoming 2. The input is becoming 2 and the output will be becoming 3. So in our case 1, our output will become 1. In our case 2, our output will become also be 1. In our case 3, the output will become different and the output will become in 3. And these are the constraints which you will be used to solve this question. Okay. So let's start to solve this. So this is a heaters one. So now let's start. So first of all, if you want, let's see the topic. Topic is about array, 2 pointers, binary search and sorting. The topic, the question is on about these 4 topics. And 3,50,000 people have submitted on only 1,38,000 people accepted, 39.5% ratio. So it must be not easy, it must be harder. And we are solving this into in the Python 3. Okay, we are solving. So you always all the people know whenever I start to solve any question, so I will be start from the starting. So first of all, I define a class of a solution and then I define input best. Then I define a def keyword in which I write find radius and then self comma houses and then list and else will be in capital must be, then comma heaters, then list, list, then end, then minus greater than end, then n equals to length. We found the length of our houses, and then m equals to length heaters. Then we found to here we define a sort. Okay, now here I define a arms integer, then for loop house in houses, then we define here index equals to bisect dot bisect, then left heaters comma house, enter. Then we define here if index equals to 0, then semicolon, and then we want to remove these things and now enter. nearest, then underscore heater underscore distance equals to heaters, then in the square bracket you write 0, then minus house. Okay, enter, backspace, define a elif statement in which you write index equals to m, then semicolon, then nearest or heater also been small, distance equals to house, select heaters, then -1, enter, backspace, else statement define here, enter. Now when you define your else statement, in the from else statement define a nearest heater distance equals to min heaters index minus house comma house minus heaters, then index -1, enter, backspace, arms equals to max, then arms comma nearest heater distance, and then here we print our output. Perfect. So now let's see the running code. So first of all, recheck the code, the all code are correct, so I think so it is correct. So let's run this code. So when I run this code, so I hope it not give me any error. So I run this code, so it is giving me the error in this line. Okay, here by the mistake I do not write is correct spelling of house. Okay, so that's why it is giving me any error. So now I will be running, so now it not give me any error. So here you can see the case 1 is also be accepted, case 2 is also be accepted, and case 3 is also be accepted. So let's see the submitting code. The submitting code is must be also be correct. So when I submit this code, the submission code is also be correct. So here you can see it, and we solve it in 31 milliseconds. I beat for 88% people I have beat it. So today's video we solved 475 questions by the of heaters. So I hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy, so like, share, subscribe. Do not forget to all the notification bell also. So you know I these type of videos on this channel. So now anyways, let me meet you in the next class and next video amazing like that type of videos on the LeetCode camp solving video. So now without taking any time for today, goodbye.